Okay, welcome to another update about visual lambdas. I'm going to jump right in. As you can see here on this overview page, which is part of the Kima console, we can now list the lambdas. We can also edit them, of course, delete them. And if you want to, you can also create a new lambda, and this will automatically create all the resources such as deployment services and API resources in the Kima Kubernetes system. Okay, so now let's jump into the first lambda, which is empty right now. I would like to work with you on a very easy use case. For example, as a business user, I would like to make sure that whenever a calculation request comes in, I would like to check if there's stock for a product. If there is stock for the product, I would like to add that product to the cart and return the updated cart. So I'm going to pull in a onRequest block, of course, and now I'm going to check if there is stock for a certain product. So we need an if block. And also a comparison, because we need to compare the stock level to a number, like for example 0. Now in the cart library here, you will see that we have a stock level for product ID block now, which very easily now lets us get the stock for a product of the ID 123. And logically, of course, we need to check if the stock is above 0. Let me do that. So now we, at this point, check if the stock level for the product 123 is above 0. Now we need to add that to the cart, and this can be done really easily with this block here. And of course, we're going to add 1 to the cart. So all that's really left now is we need to return it, and that's as easy as it was before. So we can just grab the cart, return it, and I would give it back as a JSON object to the calling system. So I'm not going to update this now because I want to show you one final other cool feature, very explorative at this point, but kind of cool. So let me go back to the overview page here. And let me also switch my screen. So now you should see 3 screens with 3 browsers. I'm going to open the same lambda in all of them. And you can already see that the other users are appearing here at the top. And once I drag something into the screen, you can see it appearing on the other screens. And what that really means is that we can now collaborate on these visual lambdas with multiple users, which right now it's not super final. It's very explorative, of course, but I think it's a cool feature and maybe worth having a look at. Thank you for listening. See you soon.